Hello everyone. Today we're using an old favorite t-shirt and a piece of denim fabric to create an awesome, fashionable, and roomy shopper bag. Stay with us. It'll be interesting. Enjoy watching. Here's our t-shirt. Beloved, but old. And a rectangle of denim. The t-shirt has really cool prints, and I hate to part with it. So we'll try to sew these prints onto our bag. Let's take scissors and cut out these cute prints, leaving a small border along these edges. We can easily top stitch the image onto our bag. I'll take all three. They're all cool. We're trying to do this evenly. We have these three cute images. A zipper for the inner pocket, thread for denim, and of course, a piece of denim folded in half. The fold is at the bottom, where the base of our bag will be. I'll determine the width I need. About 50 centimeters for me. And the depth of the bag. At the bottom, where the fabric is folded, you'll need to cut out squares like these to create the bag's base. Later in the process, we'll see how to make these corners so the bag takes shape. We'll trim off any excess. And mark where the webbing for the handles. Check the width of the pictures. We'll draw lines where we need to top stitch our webbing. And we'll draw these on both sides. We need to fold over the top hem. Mark how much. We'll press it and then press it. It'll be easier because the denim is very thick and coarse. We'll take another piece and prepare the pocket. An inner hidden pocket, which will have a zipper, like this, on both sides. We'll stitch the zipper into this pocket. Determine the width. Add 1 centimeter to the zipper length. It will be the width of the pocket. Cut off all the excess and unnecessary pieces. Trim off the excess unnecessary pieces. This is the pocket. Cut another strip on top. And iron. This is how prepared. The shopper himself. Inner pocket. Of 2 parts with hem. Here we sew zipper. Make 2 lines. Parallel zipper. On both sides. Next, we sew the side seams of the pocket, placing the wrong sides together. On the right side, about 5 millimeters from the edge. Turn it inside out and sew another line of stitching on the wrong side. And do this on both sides. Denim is thick, so you can iron it first. Here's our pocket. Next, we take the webbing. Determine the desired length of the handles, the ones that will be comfortable and convenient for us. And we will top stitch this webbing onto our bag. On both sides, forming a loop. Making sure to backstitch. Along the entire length of the webbing, we stitch along the edge. On one side of the webbing and then the other. And that's how we did it. Check the length of the straps. They must be the same. We take our prints, arrange them on the bag as we like. You might have 1 print, maybe 2. Maybe you'll even iron on a transfer print with an iron. I like this. I'll stitch it. So that the stitching doesn't go onto our print. stitching doesn't go onto our print. Pin the corner with pins so it doesn't shift. I like it. And you? Then sew the side seams. The same way as sewing a pocket, and sew the corners of the bag. First seam on the front side. The second seam on the inside. All edges will be closed. Sew stitch on both sides. We also sew corners. First, sew on the front side. Turn out and stitch the second line. We make good fixes. Bag, we need strong, reliable. And then we will sew the hem at the top of the bag. We'll fix the straps. And don't forget, sew in the inner pocket. How do you like the result? Strong and cute, and the t-shirt came in handy. Good luck in your work, and goodbye.